In this video, you will learn how to clean your Gmail storage. Open the Google storage page. Go to your Google account storage settings to see how much space Gmail is using. Search for large emails. In Gmail search bar type size 10 megabytes or higher to filter out the larger emails with big attachments. Delete unnecessary emails. Select the emails you don't need anymore, then click the bin icon to delete them. Empty the spam or trash folder. Go to the spam or trash folder and click the empty now to permanently clear all of them. Use categories to bulk delete. Clean out unnecessary categories from promotions, socials, updates by selecting all then clicking delete. Manage attachments or Google Drive files. Check Google Drive or Google Photos as they count towards Gmail storage. Click delete or move large files if you need to. Now you know how to clean the Gmail storage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.